In this tutorial, we will learn how to use Voice Brain Dump in NotebookOS to quickly capture your spoken thoughts and save them into NotebookLM as a source. When you are browsing the web, ideas often come before they are fully structured. You may be reading an article, watching a lecture, reviewing a paper, or comparing different sources, and suddenly you have a thought that you do not want to lose. Instead of stopping your workflow to write a polished note, you can use Voice Brain Dump to capture your thinking immediately. First, click the NotebookOS Chrome extension icon. A side panel will appear directly inside the web page. Inside the side panel, choose the notebook where you want to save your spoken thought. This is important because NotebookOS will use your selected notebook as the destination for the captured source. One quick tip: before you start each recording, click Sync My Notebooks to refresh your notebook list. This helps make sure your audio is saved smoothly to the right notebook. Now, click the record button. At this point, you can simply speak naturally. You do not need to organize everything perfectly. You can think out loud, pause, change direction, and continue speaking as your ideas develop.
It is using external sources to ground the answer.
You can also mix languages and use technical terms while speaking. For example, you can speak in English, French, or combine both languages in the same recording. This is useful when you are working with academic content, medical terms, research ideas, or any topic where your thinking naturally moves between languages.
L'idée principale ici est que les utilisateurs n'ont pas besoin de rédiger une note complète immédiatement. They just need to capture the raw thought first, then NotebookLM can help transform it into a clean summary, a concept map, or even a slide deck later.
After you finish recording, NotebookOS will help save your spoken thought into the selected NotebookLM notebook as a source. Then, inside NotebookLM, Gemini can transcribe the content accurately and make it available for future questioning, summarization, synthesis, or artifact generation. This is especially useful when you want to capture raw thinking before it disappears. The key idea is simple. Do not wait until your thought is perfectly written. Capture it first, then let NotebookLM help you organize, connect, and reuse it later. Voice Brain Dump turns NotebookOS into a fast-thinking capture layer for NotebookLM. It helps you move from passive browsing to active knowledge building without breaking your flow.